All right, back on the road. My guy Big D, he's flexible with his work. He'll meet me out for lunch. We'll meet up after a card show, whatever the case may be. He's always looking for a taco. I'm always looking for a taco. He said, you ever go to Culichi? I said, what is that? He said, you gotta come. He said, don't be intimidated by the bars on the windows. We're on 30th Street and McDowell. He said, do not be intimidated by the lack of electricity box. So Danny says it's the pastor. You know we gotta start with the carne asada. We'll finish it with the pastor. I don't feel safe, but that's where I'm home. Like I'm on the south side of Chicago. So Tacos Culichi, big review. My boy Big D loves them. Let's head inside and see what it's all about. All right, here we are, big review. Tacos Culichi. This is my guy Danny here said the pastor, but we got to stick true to the roots. We got to do the carne asada first. So here's what I see. You know I'm a little bits guy. I see little bits. You know I like the little bits. Red onion, a little bit of cilantro. It looks like we got a little maybe avocado crema type sauce. I'm gonna go with that. Also very good looking red and green salsas. Always with a little accoutrement on here, some cucumbers, radishes, lime. So I'm gonna go with the avocado looking sauce with a little bit of lime. Danny, what are you gonna put on yours? You're gonna go the same way?
I'm gonna double green it, so a little bit.
Oh, it's a double green?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Just playing against the rules.
Add some spice.
Danny will play against all rules. Double salsas. Okay, so the thing about a corn tortilla is sometimes they have the tendency to fall apart. Like they'll get dried out and they'll fall apart. This one is super moist. The corn tortilla, I could tell. By the way, they double bag it. That's a double bagger. They double bag the tortilla, but I can tell it's gonna stay together. Like it's gonna be part of the taco and not just fall apart. Go ahead, you already took a bite. Go ahead, what is it? Go ahead.
It was about to fall over. I wasn't gonna let it go.
You weren't gonna let it go. It's hot though, it's really hot.
Very, very good. The corn tortilla adds so much flavor in this versus some of the ones we've had in the past. I really.
You also got some crispy bits in here. Like that's my love language. The crispy bits.
I would say I'm at about a 7.7 on this.
Okay, you travel for that taco.
Yeah.
That's big. That's a 7.7 is a very big review. We've had a lot that are a lot lower than that. Let's see. No.
Authentic.
The first thing with corn tortillas, if it falls apart, I'm out. You're in the sixes if it falls apart. The red onion's a smack. A lot of times these places have white onion, yellow onion. That red onion, bang, is a smack. This is like underrated right here, this little avocado. I'm actually gonna hit it again and see because that was like a really smooth, nice texture in there. Let's see. What were you, 7.7? It's funny, we have about the same taste. I'm right in that half. It's right at a 7.5 for me. If you are in this area, you gotta come get this taco. This one, I would say is you should go up to 10 miles to come get this. But it's not the one that Danny says that we're here for. But you know, I gotta stay true to the game. I gotta stay true to the carne asada. This is the one that we're here for, the pastor with Danny's green sauce. Danny puts the green sauce on everything. He said this is where he comes for pastor, which is huge because Danny's a big pastor guy. Let's try it. Same toppings. Actually, this looks like a white onion versus the red onion. So interesting little dynamic change there. Also with some cilantro. Is there some pineapple in there too? All right, let's try it. That's a smackadactyl. There's pterodactyls and then there's smackadactyls. That's a smackadactyl. Okay. Okay, more green sauce. That sauce is awesome. Sweet, spicy, creamy. I don't know if it's tomatillo salsa, delicious. Oh man, I'm trying to figure out if I'm going above 8.5 or right at 8.5. That's an 8.6. That's an 8.6. If you're a pastor fan, you're in the Phoenix area, You have to come try this. You have to come try this pastor. Usually I leave the rest of the taco for Rob, our esteemed photographer. Not today. Pastor, 8.6, carne asada, what would we say? I said 7.5. You said 7.7. 7.7. Great salsas, a little accompaniments. Tacos Culichi, you gotta come try the pastor at least with all these salsas. That's a review.